55T. Designed for pipe drilling and curved surfaces. Powerful motor of 1600 watts. Annular cutting up to 55 millimeter diameter. Twist drilling up to 23 millimeter diameter. Detachable Morse Taper 3 spindle with internal lubrication. Integrated oil bath gearbox with 2 mechanically adjustable gears. High precision slide and rail construction results in faster and more accurate drilling. Gyrotech safety functionality turns off the motor by recognizing a sudden unwanted movement. Digital load indicator and smart restart technology guarantees optimal drilling. Adjustable RPM and left and right rotation for tapping. Patented shallow field permanent magnet technology requires no electricity and can be used on any pipe starting from 80 millimeter diameter. Clear and easy controls. You won't miss the right button. Extremely easy to handle. Extremely versatile. This is the Tube 55T magnetic drilling machine.
Drill, steel with EUROBOOR. For professionals, by professionals.